Welcome back to Stock Motion, the educational investment channel. Today we're going to take a look at Sundial Growers, ticker symbol SNDL. Before we start, please remember I'm not a financial advisor and this information is purely for educational purposes only, and please do your own due diligence before investing in any stocks. Without further ado, let's get into it. Sundial is a public company with common shares traded on Nasdaq under the symbol SNDL. Sundial is a licensed producer that crafts cannabis using state-of-the-art indoor facilities. Their craft-at-scale, modular growing approach, award-winning genetics and experienced master growers sets them apart. Their Canadian operations cultivate small-batch cannabis using an individualized room approach, with 448,000 square feet of total space. Sundial's brand portfolio includes Top Leaf, Sundial Cannabis, Palmetto and Grasslands. Our consumer packaged goods experience enables them to not just grow quality cannabis, but also to create exceptional consumer and customer experiences. Canadian cannabis company Sundial Growers Inc. said Wednesday it has issued a notice of default to Zenabis regarding certain defaults under the terms of its senior loan. Sundial acquired a special purpose vehicle last week that owns $40.9 million of the senior loan. Sundial said it had received a principal payment of $7 million on December 31 from Zenabis Investments Limited, a unit of Zenabis Global Inc., in accordance with the terms of the loan. It said Zenabis is disputing the defaults. Zenabis later issued a statement alleging that Sundial made the investment in its lender as part of an effort to force it into a deal. The company believes the senior lender's allegations to be spurious and without merit and intends to vigorously defend against what it considers to be an ill-disguised attempt to circumvent a fair and competitive process to acquire the company by improperly foreclosing the equity of the company or compelling Zenabis to enter into a transaction with Sundial. Sundial has had a checkered history, and once had a $1 billion valuation. 4 Wall Street analysts have issued ratings and price targets for Sundial Growers in the last 12 months. Their average 12-month price target is $1.25, predicting that the stock has a possible upside of 107.99%. The high price target for SNDL is $1.50 and the low price target for is $1. There are currently 1 sell rating and 3 hold ratings for the stock, resulting in a consensus rating of hold. Sundial Growers last issued its quarterly earnings results on November 11, 2020. The reported 5 cents earnings per share for the quarter. The company earned $9.66 million during the quarter, compared to analysts' expectations of $20.20 million. Sundial Growers has generated $0 earnings per share over the last year. Sundial Growers has not formally confirmed its next earnings publication date, but the company's estimated earnings date is Monday, March 29, 2021, based off prior year's report dates. Institutional ownership percentage is 10.66%. It's looking increasingly likely that the Democrats will be able to win 2 Senate seats in crucial runoff elections in Georgia. Should the Democrats pick up both seats, marijuana producers and dispensaries, including Sundial, would all benefit if the Democrats win the Senate. Biden and Harris have promised to decriminalize marijuana, which would make it easier for cannabis companies to operate in the US. As an example, banks would no doubt be more willing to lend and offer cash management services to cannabis companies if it's no longer a federal crime to do so. Decriminalization would also be a boon for companies like Sundial, which help to support the industry's growth. Demand would rise for marijuana where decriminalized, and these rising sales, in turn, could help to drive its stock price even higher. Adventurous investors like you won't want to miss out on what could be a truly astonishing opportunity. You see, over the past 3 years, this AIM-listed company has been quietly powering ahead, rewarding its shareholders with generous share price growth thanks to a carefully orchestrated buy-and-build strategy. And with a first-class management team at the helm, a proven, well-executed business model, plus market-leading positions in high-margin, niche products, our analysts believe there's still plenty more potential growth in the pipeline. If you like this, please hit the like button, leave a comment below and subscribe for more content like this. Join our Discord for buy and sell updates. You can find the link in the description as well as a link to sign up for Trading 212, who are offering a free share up to £100. Thanks for watching and take care.